Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O Brahmins, the king's anger and envy, directed toward the Brahman sage, were unprecedented, being that circumstances had made him hungry and thirsty. For a king like Maharaj Parikshit to become angry and envious, especially at a sage and Brahman, was undoubtedly unprecedented. The king knew well that Brahmans, sages, children, women and old men are always beyond the jurisdiction of punishment. Similarly, the king, even though he commits a great mistake, is never to be considered a wrongdoer. But in this case, Maharaj Parikshit became angry and envious at the sage due to his thirst and hunger by the will of the Lord. The king was right to punish his subject for coldly receiving him or neglecting him, but because the culprit was a sage and a Brahman, it was unprecedented. As the Lord is never envious of anyone, so also the Lord's devotee is never envious of anyone. The only justification for Maharaj Parikshit's behavior is that it was ordained by the Lord.